Hey, this is my new mugwort, Artemisia Douglas something. I mean, who can ever remember those botanical names? It's just like learning a new language all over again. I had problems in medical school just trying to learn terminology. Oh, it's got a label. Let me check. I take that back. It's not from California. It's from Clackamas that a friend of mine gave me. I can't even read it. But anyway, it's really strong. It's a different type of mugwort. The flavor is different. It's stronger, more powerful than the Japanese one, Artemisia japonica. I can remember that, but I can't remember what these are. To make a smudge with this one, oh, it's going to be really powerful. Here's the mama plant right here. That's the mother. Let me take you to the other patch. So here's the Artemisia japonica. I know it looks like a bunch of weeds. Actually is. And so from this patch and from this one, I was able to make 300 sticks and medicine and oils and soap and a bunch of other stuff. So when I was starting out, I making mugwort sticks, I asked a distributor if they would purchase some mugwort sticks from me, and they wanted them in plastic bags, and they also wanted 500. Well, I wasn't able to supply them with 500, and actually I made 300 and I sold all of them except for like 20 of them. So I became my own distributor supplier. And this year my goal is to make 500 or even more. And if you'd like to, I'm a one woman operation, and if you would like to come and help me roll some mugwort sticks, actually I'll give you some. Let me know. These babies are going to be big in about a month. So before summer solstice, I need to pick them. Actually, on summer solstice, very special day. Okay, thanks.